is the final look. I'm digging it. I like it a lot. Okay, I'm back. Today, okay, so I'm thinking about doing a red look. I'm gonna put it up here on the screen here. We're gonna try to make it a little edgy. Keyword here is try. You gotta remember that throughout this entire video. Okay, let's get it popping, gang, gang, let's go. This palette again, because it's the only palette that I have that has like bright, oh, it's over here, that has like a bright red. I might use a little bit of this one too. I don't know, I saw this hack where you mix your primer with a slight bit of glitter glue and like it sticks a lot better. So we're gonna try that. Let's hope it doesn't go horribly. We're just gonna get that. I'm gonna do my brows off screen because we don't care about those right now. My eyebrows are being polar opposites today, so that's fine. We're gonna start with the sunrise color. It's because I'm doing my makeup to this ink. I'm used to doing it this way. Warrior 2, whatever, this one. We're gonna use one of these darker color. Ooh, we're gonna use, I'm thinking this one because it's a little darker. Yeah, we don't get that. These brushes are horrendous. I'm gonna use this red. We're going in with this brush that I keep thinking I should never use again, but here we are. This time I'm not blending it up too far. We're leaving kind of right in the corner. I'm just gonna blend that out a little bit. We're gonna cut it. We're gonna cut the crease. Oh, this is horrendous. Okay, cutting the crease, we're gonna use micellar water because it's the only thing that's gonna do it for me. And I have these cute little dishes. Go over the path once with the wet side, with the dry side. Go over the path again. Good enough. I'm gonna cut it. So the eyes are cut, it's looking a little better. We're gonna go in with this bright red here, all over there. Let's get it popping. I'm drinking a little Schwein, a little Schweineroni and cheese, you feel me? There's not my Schwein. New glass. Just coat it, we'll just coat it. I'm patting. Patting, not sweeping, not dragging, not anything else, just patting it on. I'm beginning to think that the fact that I'm drinking wine while doing my makeup is beginning to show. Tipsy makeup. Alright, that was strangely complicated. Let's take another swiggeroo. Ooh, Stilla. This stuff is pretty dark. Okay, I'm not gonna go too deep into the foundation, but I am gonna be using Clinique. This is the one I just got color matched with. I think it's a pretty good match. I might use a little bit of this too, because I kind of did like that one. If you want to see me using this one, you can check out the video before where I use it on my full face, I use it, so you can check that out. So, and then wait, we're not gonna forget a primer this time. So Smashbox we're gonna use because this is the one I got at the current moment. I actually really like the Milk primer, but I am out of it, so this is gonna have to do. But the Milk primer is bomb because it's sticky, it's like tacky, and your foundation looks so bomb on top of it. So if you haven't tried the Milk primer, try it now, okay? Pretend I'm wearing it right now. This like spot on my lip is like, what is this? This is a pretty good foundation. It is more sheer coverage, so and it is buildable. You could get like a little bit more full coverage, but it is more sheer. It's more glowy. That's why I kind of like it. I was hesitant on trying it because I originally went into Ulta and got color matched for Hourglass, but then of course they were out of my shade, and then I was like, all right, which shade should I get if they're out of my shade? And she was like, that's not how it works with Hourglass, I guess. So then she was like, this is the close, this one's good. So I was like, all right. And I've always been a little hesitant on Clinique, and that's just because, I don't know actually why I've been hesitant on Clinique, but I was, and here I am, actually enjoying it. This looks pretty good. This is probably the closest one to my shade that I have currently. The other ones are more my tan shade. They're too dark right now. And this one is pretty close, but it's a little tiny bit dark, just a tiny bit. So this Clinique one is good. I think it's gonna look good in the end. That's all that matters. Concealer. This concealer is my jam. I am almost out of it though. You can see I'm barely getting by here, but I suck at nose contouring. I don't know why. Press foundation by MAC. Press powder by MAC. Lashes by Mink Envy. These are in the style Prissy. Been using these for a while. I love them. Mine break. But yeah, it's a no for me with the eyebrows today. Underneath the eyes. And then red underneath that. These Alright, I need like red eyeliner, but I don't have any, so we're gonna go with like a coral color. I have a coral color. A little bit of highlight is all I need. A lot of it. I need a lot of it. I need a lot. Lips. We're gonna do like a neutral, pretty nude lip, okay? This is by Frankie Rose in the shade Sassy. This is a lipstick or liquid lipstick by MAC in the color Burnt Spice. It's totally not a burnt spice color. Okay, this gloss is by Mink Envy. Not least, we're gonna add a couple of gems, and we're gonna do red ones. So red gems is the move. I wish they were a little smaller, but beggars can't be choosers. So. Okay.
Killer, oh my god.
So yeah, this is the finished look. My eyebrows are a little uneven, but that's all right. That's a normal thing up in these streets, you feel me? I'm gonna set my whole face. This setting spray is by Spa Sciences. It's super bomb. It makes you super glowy. And it'll be down below. There's also a discount code for this brand if you wanna try it. Anya Pano, find it down below. You know. I use that a lot. I use a lot of that stuff. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna do my hair kind of messy for this. Probably half up, because that's the move. This kind of, I'm gonna leave my curls a little imperfect. Okay, so this is the final look. I don't know if I should have did red lipstick. No, maybe not. Yeah, I'm digging it. I like it a lot. See it on Instagram. You'll see it in a couple of reels. They probably were already posted. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe, all the things, and yeah. I think that's about it. Why not? But a bitch gotta go to bed sometimes, okay? Okay? I have a toddler, so I could either put it more in the back. But y'all have a good day or night or whatever it is when you're watching this. And I feel like, should I keep my bangs in my face? I kind of